All right, so these are instructions for how to access the discussion forums in Blackboard. So if you just go to our course homepage, on the left-hand side here, you will see this link for discussion forums. Go ahead and click on that, and that will take you to our discussion board page. So here you'll see that for each of the remaining weeks of the course, I've created a different discussion forum where you can just post comments or questions to both myself and your fellow students to engage in further discussion related to the weekly content that we'll be covering. So you'll see that if you click on this week 10 link for social stratification, it will open up the form here. So you can just click to create a thread. And when you do that, it will ask for a subject, which is just the title you'll give to your thread. So you could name it, for example, week 10 discussion. And then in this text box here, you would just type the question you'd like to pose to your classmates or the reflection that you have based off the material that we viewed for this week or whatever. So I might ask, what are your thoughts on the video clip busting the myth that poor people are lazy? Right? So I can submit that. And once I do that, you'll see that it shows there's a total of 1 post in this discussion forum. If we click on this thread link here, you'll see the question I posed. So you can either click reply and reply to the question I've asked, or you can just go back to the discussion board page and you can create your own thread. You don't necessarily need to reply to everyone else's. You can write your own opinions or questions, etc. So hopefully many of you will take advantage of this tool to kind of simulate the discussions that we typically would have had in class, but just in an online format. Stay well.